Welcome. This time we are going to do the hands-on. This will be for the technical people. So here we are going to do using the Python code. And I have opened the Spider. You can definitely open any ID of your choice. You can open any ID of your choice. I'm comfortable with Spider, so I'm using. You can use Jupyter, you can use VS Code, you can use Python, anything. So let us proceed. These are the few things I have explained in my previous video. These are the standard lines which I'm running right now. It's run. These were the code for that GeoShot call. So I'm directly jumping to the where few shots. Okay, these are the section for the few shots. So these are the standard library for for calling LLM. And here is that our prompt. So if you see this prompt, how it has been written, it has been first definitely we say that what is the role that LLM need to play. And here there are the few examples. Here are the few examples. And the question I'm going to ask is this: what is France populations? So this is the questions I'm going to ask. What is the France populations? And running these lines, and this method I have written in the previous video, where I explained that this method I've written so that we can pass the system prompt and user prompt in one way and get that answers. Okay, so this way I have done it. So let us run this because it is quite helpful. I think this method I need to run. This method I need to run so that I can call it there. Yeah. Okay. See, my question was, what is France population? It has given in this 7 billion. Now, if I ask the same, what is the same questions in a different way? Australia. What is Australia population? 0.26 billion. That is perfectly fine. If you observe that here we have given all the country, we have not given for any city. So let us see how it really behaves with city. Zero point zero 0.02 billion. Perfect. See, I may not have the data to verify this one from internet that how what is this and what is in the correct. Another point, is this really correct? That I'll take care when I'm going to cover AI agents. When we'll do the agentic AI, we'll cover this one, that how to really make sure it is really correct. It may be incorrect. This part I'll take care in the agentic AI. This. Now, since it seems that billion is very big number for the city, so here I can say population in million. Okay, and let me give little bit of more New York, USA, so that the prompt become more clear. And now I'm going to run this one. Yes. Oh, it has still given the billion. Let me see if I can make it more explicit instead of billion. Let us see. Okay. This is where sometimes it happens. It does not really get into that this one. It is not able to give me the in the million. This may be. I'll look into that. What should be? How should we write the prompt to really put it in the billion? But to summarize, definitely you have to give the examples. Generally, how many examples? As per my experience, try to give 5 examples. 5 examples, and all try to have the different variants. Okay, different variants, different way, and then definitely you can put the prompt whatever you want. Another point I would like to mention, those who have seen my previous video where I did all these questions through EY, these questions was taking, this one is taking approximately 95 seconds. Here it took hardly few seconds. So when you do the Python programming, it takes few seconds. And as per my experience, these kind of things generally takes 2 to 3 seconds per one. Maximum it can take 6 seconds. So this is where you should be aware of it. All good. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching it.